I'm Ivanova from Forex Academy, and in this lecture I will introduce you to the course outline. First, the course will not be a long one. We always aim at creating straight-to-the-point courses and give you a practical education. That's why in the first section, which is an introduction for the beginner traders, we have added resource files to each lecture. Make sure to download them, because this way you will learn faster. At the end of the first section, you will find an assignment that will help you to take the first steps into trading. As well, at the end of the course, we have prepared a short quiz for those of you who are willing to test their new knowledge. Before we start with the course, I would like to give you some quick tips for this course. First, you will find closed captions available for the course. Just click on the CC button at the video player and you will see all the words going along, which is very useful if you're on the train, on a crowded place, or even at work. If you have any questions along the course, you can use the forum. Petko will answer personally to all your questions within 12 hours. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe if you want to be notified when we upload free videos from this course. Now, let's get started with the course and dig in the Dow Jones and algorithmic trading.